Have you drank?
No.
You guys are wondering why I haven't been vlogging for a whole year. It's because Nick broke my camera last time and I literally just got it back 2 days ago.
Bro, you're going 385 miles per hour and the damn mic broke.
So anyway, what are we doing today?
Honestly, dude, we are running a damn car over with a tank. So I have this series that I do, Chiropractors Part 3. We're gonna run over a car with a tank.
The cop.
Where?
This is not suspicious at all.
Anyways, new vlog dropping. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Whatever happens in Vegas goes on YouTube.
What a weekend drift.
I know, traction control kicked in.
Yes, he does say off.
Now it's off. I had it off the entire time. Should probably talk about the car a bit. I just got it back. Green and nose attack wrap, but I'm painting it green. Got the Stunt Motorsports aero kit. Canards in the front. Stunning car. Love this thing. Anyway, let's go blow some shit up.
You guys ready to shoot some guns? Yeah. Let's get drunk and shoot guns. What do you have in the bag there? His last dream was to ride in a tank, so we're gonna put him in a tank, man.
Don't hit the helicopter.
Imagine. Hey, they come back, they're like, sir, this is gonna cost you $1.4 million.
He's actually driving.
Above flat zeros you. It's over and I refund the tank. Any questions?
Have you drank?
No.
Stop the cap.
Nick, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
But you can drive it, right?
No. Take a deep breath.
Yeah. Wait, if
Take a deep breath.
I fail it.
If you fail it.
Don't keep going. There you go.
Perfect. Alright.
Oh man, I had a shot of whiskey.
It says zeros, you're good. If it says anything but, no. Perfect. Yeah, you just would have ran out of breath before you finished. There you go. Zeros. You can drive.
Healthy lungs.
Dog. Why am I such an alcoholic?
Sorry, I'm a little drunk right now.
Alright, so I didn't pass the breathalyzer test, so I can't drive the tank, so I want to be passenger.
It's almost as big as you.
Huh?
What?
You're not funny, bro, and you're not 6'3" either. You
I didn't say I was 6'3".
So while these guys are going off, I'm gonna give you guys a little brief summary of what I've been up to. So HHC, we're now up at 16 restaurants. We're opening up 2 every single month. By the end of this year, we'll be at over 50. End of next year, we'll be at over 100. I won the Western Endurance Racing Championship, the WERC. Got first place in that in the KTM. I sold the KTM, so I no longer have that. Obviously, I got the Porsche. And I just bought 2 hypercars. Friday, Mario and I are flying out to Miami to pick up the first hypercar. The second hypercar is brand new. We're gonna go spec that one in about a month, and I take delivery of that car at the end of the year. First one that we're picking up is a used hypercar. We no longer make this car. It's 2019. You guys have probably already figured out what it is if you follow me on Instagram. But we're gonna go pick it up in Miami, and then we're going on a rally Friday to Sunday in Miami, so that'll be cool. This is what we're driving?
Yeah. Ed! I'm so excited!
This is sick.
Yeah, that looks good on you, man.
Thanks, bro.
Struggling there, buddy?
Zipper broke.
See ya.
Take a deep breath in, Ed! Dude, that was so awesome.
Oh, hey, dude. You got it perfect.
I don't think he's gonna have any more headaches.
I thought I was gonna cross it off my bucket list, driving a tank over a car, but I was too drunk. How did it feel? How did it feel?
Melodramatic. I thought it was gonna be like a lot faster. I thought my head was gonna bop around.
But did it feel nice?
Oh, it was so smooth, Lauren. It was like nothing.
Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, what's up, man?
Dude, I need some more sauce.
Here you go.
No man, it's some more sauce.
How's this?
I need some more sauce, bro. It's insane. I mean, this is generally the best like chicken dinner in the world.
We came to shoot a video. I gotta eat it. It's so good.
Should I take my pants off?
No.
Oh my god, dog. I need some goddamn clothes, bro. On my face?
Do the video.
Just run the camera, run the camera.
PJ, go. Dude, Nick.
Yeah.
I gotta drop on my shoes, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ed. I'm really sorry, bro.
I gotta drop sauce on my shoes. New license plate, new car. It's me and Mario. We're in Miami, beautiful Miami. The sun is shining, the breeze is flowing. We're gonna go pick up a hypercar. If you can't guess by now, you probably know what color it is. It's been 2 weeks, I've been waiting for this car. The car's finally ready. Today is Friday, we flew in yesterday. Tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday is a rally to race, I think it's called. It's out here in Miami, it just happens to be the weekend I pick up the car. You excited?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's fun. Hey, by the way, is your girl hitting you up too? Like constantly?
Oh, yeah.
Blowing you up? It's literally not ending. Non-stop. Ladies, if
All
you're watching
weekend.
this, a boys trip does not mean a trip, okay? We're literally just going to pick up a car. There's gonna be 13, 14-year-old boys geeking out over the car at the car show. That's the extent of this trip.
Hey, where you going, man?
Got a couple bottles for the sales guy. Hello. It's got that top shelf dust on it. Quick little pit stop. I got this for my service guy and I got this for the salesperson. They hooked me up with the car. I honestly very impressed with them. Well, I can't reveal too much. I'll reveal it more later on. But basically, because I bought it from a Lambo dealer and it's not a Lambo, they had no idea how special this car is. So I got a really good deal. Because I got a good deal, I kind of feel bad. So, you know, let's make me feel a little better. Here it is, boys. Here it is.
Supercar, hypercar.
I was kidding. That's not green.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Tranquilo, as they would say here, huh?
Almost fell.
Welcome.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
How are you?
What's
Diego,
up,
How you doing?
Mario.
Diego,
Mario,
nice to meet you.
Diego.
Diego, I got this for you, brother.
Oh
And,
man, you're
this one's
awesome.
For, Leo.
For Leo, you're awesome.
The right color interior.
Oh yeah.
The guy that bought my Mercy
He has a Bugatti.
has a Agera RS.
Here's the Phoenix.
He's got a Bugatti too, right? Yeah, he's got a red one. He's got everything.
Just-
Yeah, shout out Julius. Got everything. Leo's gonna find out if this Koenigsegg's for sale. I would love to have this. I would rather get this than my old Mercy, obviously. All right, we are at McLaren. It's been a 2-hour ride. We were crammed in the back seat of an Uber this entire time, so sorry if the energy is down. I'm trying to get hyped up.
Okay, we lied. It's not at McLaren.
Yeah,
it's
it's
next
the
door.
Jaguar.
It's stored at the Jag.
I don't know if you saw over there, I was geeking,
got the
smiling ear
butterflies
to
or
yeah,
what?
smiling ear to ear. Like it's finally becoming reality. I've been searching for this car for like 2 months, and I finally found the perfect spec. Oh my god!
There it is.
Yes.
We're not gonna do a crazy reveal. We're just gonna go straight to it,
Oh.
huh? That's a genuine reaction.
Oh my god, Mario, look at it.
Hold on, hold
the
on,
light,
keep
no,
going.
no. The light is shining perfectly on it. Oh, come on, show the
Are you ready? Let's get out of here. We gotta drive.
Yeah, we gotta travel. Let me go grab the keys. Hey!
Yeah, congratulations. Beautiful car.
Walked in and the light's like shining perfectly on the paint, on the green. It looks so good. I can't stop smiling.
Yeah, I'm getting goosebumps too, man.
Everything's fixed.
Car, everything is fixed, service,
Don't
cleaned
add
it
this
a
in the
little
video.
bit. It's a very special car.
Do you know about this car?
You
Which
know-
one it is?
I've seen it on TV a couple of times on YouTube.
I had no idea.
Okay.
So I bought the car.
Yeah.
I was just like, green on saddle, my favorite color combo.
Yeah.
I love this thing. Then I'm having lunch with my friend Nick, and he's got this friend with him. The friend tells me that he's a big Senna fan. I was like, oh, I just bought one.
Yeah.
He goes, which one? Right? He goes, bro, this is Project Kilo 2. I took notes while we're having dinner. Like, he wrote these things. But original Kilo, Project Kilo, was a 650S that McLaren made for a top VIP client. It was a secret build. No one knew about it, okay? Secret commission, all carbon, more power, lighter. This is Project Kilo 2. It's the second time McLaren has done something special like this. Chassis number 10, it was the first one to come in the US. It was for like this special VIP. It's a true one-off spec. It's the only one in this green, only one in green and saddle. It's the only production Senna with the carbon wheels. Only one with those it's a 152,000 option. The only other Senna with the carbon wheels is Bruno Senna's XP car, which is a prototype car. This is the only, bro, it's painted too. It's not even a sticker. This is the only Senna with the Kiwi. This Kiwi is original McLaren logo before McLaren's logo turned into that. The reason for it is Bruce McLaren is from New Zealand and the Kiwi is New Zealand's national animal. So it's a homage to original McLaren. And Armand just pointed out, it's got 24 karat gold in the back. It's the only Senna with gold around the exhaust, just like McLaren F1. This is
Not bad. It's
A
top
one-off
spec.
spec.
I mean, this handle here, this grab strap right here, that's also unique to this car. So when you're strapped with a race harness, it's not easy to pull the door down.
Yeah.
So this one has a magnet on it, and then you just pull it down as you're sitting.
That's so
and then it just stays here with the magnet. I've not seen it on other Senna as well.
It couldn't be better. It just gets better and better. Make it official, yes.
So how many chicken sandwiches you have to sell for this?
1 billion million.
By the way, we'll announce it maybe in a handful of future videos. Big partnerships coming, huh?
Oh, for HHC? Massive swag.
As a little gift from McLaren, thank you so much.
I didn't think I would be this excited. It's been like 2 weeks. It finally hit. Yeah, I'm happy. Very happy. Come in, my friend, come in. So we're gonna go to Prestige. We'll show you guys all the give you some, like, I can't even talk, I'm so excited. We'll give you guys some more B-rolls and show you some of the other cars over there, the cars that are gonna be at the rally. So to have it in carbon, $2,200 option. I don't know how much the option was to get the Kiwi logo. I haven't even seen the sticker of this car, bro. I think this is probably like a 1.4 MSRP, 1.5 maybe even. Huh? Oh, they're coming out. Yeah, I'm posting. These little videos that we're making a comeback, baby. Weirdest features, but I love them.
This is my favorite feature by far. I just love this.
Bro, I thought my GT3 was fast. I thought the F40 was fast. This is a different level. Shit's scary fast. 800 horsepower, 2,600 pounds. You guys might be wondering, Mario is so lucky. He's riding passenger in a hypercar. Mario's probably so excited. This is Mario. He's so excited.
You take a picture.
Prestige is right there, getting fueling up. It's been a long day. Mario wants to end the vlog here and get a lot of action for you guys or any of that. So my apologies, very boring video. But I think we should film some of the cars over there.
We will.
And then we'll end it. Finally made it, Mario. Only 1 hour late. Hello. Hey, how are you? A lot of cars. Yeah. Okay, so all those cars are going on the rally tomorrow.
Is it fuzzy?
Yeah, it's fuzzy.
Oh, that's cool.
We're at Prestige Imports in Miami. Probably the sickest car collection ever. I mean, like, all over the place. Let's go look at these cars. All right, what's your favorite car here?
The Zonda.
Obviously, right? That's like ultimate goals. Well, let's say we don't have $10 million. What else? 5 million or less. Which one of the white ones?
I like this white one, it's pretty cool.
We've been following each other on Instagram for like many years. First time meeting each other. So he's telling us about the rally. We're getting a police escort out of Miami, and they shut it down.
Pretty much, they lead us out of Miami, we fly out of Miami with the cops, and then words can't even describe what's gonna happen tomorrow. We're gonna have a whole highway with 100+ exotic cars.
What was the record last year?
So our speed record last year, we hit 218. We hit 200+ 9 times.
In what car?
In a F8 Tributo. Ferrari says the top speed is 211. That's a lie.
F8 Tributo. That was
F8 Tributo is 218.
We're gonna take the wing off the Senna and we're gonna break 218. I'm gonna go fast for that. Sick rally. One of the coolest ones I've been on. We got 2 NFL players that are coming on the rally with us. I used to want one until I got set up. Ultimate track car over there, not so much this. My first time seeing it in person. I saw the prototype one that had wood brakes on it. All right, it's too much going on and I feel a little embarrassed vlogging in front of everyone. So we're gonna do a loud right here. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's video count.